Hi everyone, my name's Kathy and welcome to Skint Living UK. Today we're making cheapy chicken pasta bake. So in these bowls I've got some cooked pasta and I've mixed some pasta sauce. You can make your own we're using flour and milk. In the pan here I've got a chicken thigh that I've chopped up into little pieces. Before it went in the pan it was coated in paprika. It could be smoked or it could be just standard paprika, it doesn't matter which. Optional is a little bit of onion, so I'm going to stick some onion in. Another ingredient that's nice is a bit of red pepper or some mushrooms. Okay, so we're going to stir it all together, mix it all up, and if you want you can top with some cheese, any cheese will do. Stick in the oven, gas 6 for about 40 minutes or 180 degrees, fan or 200 without fan. Thanks for watching.